Hi viewers, welcome to Learn It Easy and this video. This is MD Hasanuddin. Please watch the video till end. If you like my video, please like it, comment it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe it. So let's start today's video. Today we are going to learn how to install a folder lock software and how to use it. So this is our folder lock software. To install this software, just double click on it and next click on install. So this is the destination folder where this software will be installed. So click on install. This software is installing. So wait till the installation is in. So installation has been completed. Click on OK. Sorry, it is not completed yet. So I think it is now completed. Now click on finish. Okay. Now the software has been installed. Now to open the software and the folder locker, just double click on it and give one password, master password. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next, the same password you have to give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next, email also you have to give. If you forget your password, you can retrieve it from the email you have given here. So we can give an email ID. You can give. Now click on OK. So this is the home screen of the Anvil folder lock software. Now if you want to log any folder, just click on add button. For example, if you want to log this general videos, okay, so click on open. So this folder has been locked. See, so it is not showing the general videos folder. So also we can check the option what it has selected. So it is selected, some options are there. So we can select hide. So this hide option hides the selected folder. Okay. So if you want to, so still so it is hide it. Now lock. For example, if you want to lock the folder, it will display, but it won't show you the folder. See, general videos it is showing, but it won't open. If you double click on the folder, it cannot open. It will show you like this. This file is locked. Please unlock this file with Anvil folder lock firstly. Okay. So this is our lock option. So if you want to select read only, so 3 folders has been opened. So first of all close it. Okay, now see, this is general videos. What we have selected? We have selected read only. So by using this option, we can only read the selected folder. C. So so here is showing you cannot delete or you cannot copy the content of the folder. For example, if you see this testing file is there. If you want to copy in this folder, it cannot copy. See, so like this, it stops to copying the folder. So also you cannot copy from the locked folder. Cannot copy the file from the locked folder. Okay, it is copying. Okay, anyhow, it is copying. It only means it is copying, but it is not copying from the other files from other place to the to the selected from the read-only option selected folder. So next option is hide and lock. So by using this option, you can hide and lock. So if you observe, the general videos file is not showing. Okay, so here the selected folder will be hide and lock. So password, if you select password, two options will ask you what password you want to give the folder. So default password. So what is the default password we have given? We have given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So if you want to give some other password than default password, you also can select custom password and you can give other name the folder. So we want default password. Now click on OK. Okay. Now if you know it is showing, but this folder cannot open. It will ask you a password to open the folder. So double click on it. It will ask you the password. Okay. Unless you don't give the correct password, the concerned folder will not be open. For example, if you type wrong password, it cannot open. It shows invalid password. If you give correct password, it will open like this. Now I have typed the correct password. Click on OK. It will open like this. So this is a password option. Okay. So next, if you want to add more folders, you can select add button and select the folder whatever you want to lock. For example, Islamic videos. So here also you can select different options, hide and lock or lock. Okay. So see is showing we have selected hide and lock option to the lock option to the general videos. So it is locked, but it cannot open. Okay. And we have selected hide and lock to the Islamic videos folder. So it won't show and it will lock. See, the Islamic videos folder not showing. So some more options also there. So if you want to change your password, give the current password and new password and confirm the password and click on apply. Okay. So like this we can install and we can use the Anvi folder lock software. Hope all you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment it, share it as much as you can, and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, and wait for my next video.